Hello and welcome to Ms. Shaw's Phonics Learning video for Friday, September 18th. Happy Friday! So Fridays are normally a review of the other things we've worked on. So at the beginning of the week, Monday and Tuesday, we worked on medial short A. That sounds like this. Ah, ah. So medial means middle. So it would be the ah sound in the middle of a word, as in b-a-g, bag, would have a medial A. And for Wednesday, we worked on alliteration. And then Thursday, we worked on s sound spelled S. So objective, what will I do today? We're going to do our Friday weekly review of the medial A and consonant S. Today, I will demonstrate phonological awareness by identifying words that have the same initial sound as consonant S spelled S and medial A sound. Okay, and remember, initial is the same as the beginning sound. Medial means middle sound. So your job today is to complete pages 64 and 65. These are a review of the short A and the consonant S sound. Okay, so you're going to read these words. These are all words that we saw in our decodable reader, SamSat. And then it says short A and consonant S. So you're going to circle the short A and you're going to underline where you see the consonant S. And they have shown you an example of each. So, for example, here, short A and consonant S, it says read, at, am, sam, sat. Over here, you're going to circle where you see the short A and underline where you see the consonant S. So over here, you are just reading these words. You don't have to do anything. On page 65, you actually have to look at the words, try to read them, and circle the ones that have the short A sound, and underline the consonant S. So they have shown you this example first. I am Tam. So they're going to circle am. I like the sun. So they're going to underline the S sound. So we're going to underline the words with an initial S, like as in sun, and we're going to circle the words that have a short A sound. And really, this tam, you could circle this word as well. This is a name. So we will be working on this today for our Google Meets. So if you somehow watch the video before we do our Google Meets at 10 a.m., have your book ready and we will go over this. Thank you.